Welcome to lesson 6.03. This video is to help you with the 6.03 lesson and quiz and help you get an A+. The name of this lesson is weather maps, and we're going to look at how weather maps are used by people and what they are compiled from. You've probably seen weather maps. Let's make sure you know how to read them. Please take a moment to pause this recording and read the goals and objectives. The student guide can be found on the third page of the lesson introduction. It's a great place to take notes. You can print it out or just type in it. Okay. So surface weather maps contribute to weather reports. If you're looking at a weather report on a television channel or in a newspaper, you'll probably see a surface weather map. It's compiled from many ground weather systems like thermometers, barometers, rain gauges, and more. And then there's a lot of things you can look at when you're looking at a surface weather map. First of all, we look at temperature data. So, for example, the red is the higher temperature, and it gets cooler as you go north. And these are called isotherms. The lines that are around each one say that iso means the same, therm means temperature. So every spot on this yellow line is the same temperature. We also have a prediction of precipitation as radar shows on surface maps. Darker color means heavier rain or snow. Remember that a barometer, make sure you remember that barometers measure pressure, and we talked a little bit about high and low pressure before. Make sure you remember that high pressure typically has cold and dry air. Low pressure is warm and moist air, so make sure you know that. So if the air pressure is increasing, the air pressure is getting higher, you can expect to have cold and dry air coming in your area. We see fronts, that's where air masses meet. It's shown by these little spiky blue and red lines. There's different kinds of fronts, warm front, cold front, and more. Make sure you read about this. And again, please take a moment to read about the different kinds of fronts. And as different fronts pass, you can get different kinds of weather. If you've ever had a thunderstorm that was short-lived, that was probably because the front is passing through your area. Upper air moves fronts and pressure centers along. Let's see. It's not very easy to, okay. If you're just looking at a surface map and not an upper air map, you might have a hard time telling the direction of the movement of the pressure center in the front. You need to also look at the upper air pressure to see how fronts are moving. Why is that? Because you need to know how the pressure changes and the circulation of upper air. So make sure you know that surface maps alone don't tell us everything we need to know. You need to look at the upper air in order to see what the air circulation is like. So surface weather maps and upper air maps work together to forecast the weather. Make sure you know that barometers measure pressure. Make sure you know that if air pressure is increasing, high air pressure, that's probably going to be cold and dry air. And make sure you know that you need to look at the upper air pressure as well as the surface air in order to see how the wind is circulating. Good luck on your quiz.